At MYCOM, we're a global software business with a proud 25-year history with a focus on mobile and fixed line telecommunication carriers around the world. I mean, our software as a service delivers automation of the network, performance management, information management, fault management, and overall assurance. And essentially the software that really runs the whole network operation, but it is also much, much more. Importantly, we're an independent of the hardware manufacturers. So we are the leading independent, which is important for customers as they use equipment from literally dozens of hardware vendors as well. We can be the software over the top that assures the whole network, and importantly is a single source of the truth of data. And lastly, our strategy is based on innovation. We want to be at the forefront of the industry. We've been investing heavily in AI, and we've got new offerings coming out this year, including a new mobile app for line of business executives. But essentially, we want to innovate to help our customers grow. We want to help them reduce cost and deliver an amazing experience for their customers. We've been investing in AI for many years, and we'll continue to do so, as well as investing in the core platform based on machine learning. I mean, our vision is twofold. First of all, it's to deliver the custom automation solutions that can reduce the time to deliver a zero-touch operations center for the CSPs. And secondly, we want to put the data and AI recommendations in the hands of the line of business to make the better decision makings in real time. And this is no longer an aspiration, but an actual reality today. And customers can see this firsthand with our live demonstrations using actual data, where we're helping CSPs drive down costs, improve responsiveness, increase proactive decision, and importantly, combining the network and business data together. For example, ARPU, churn stats, and the list goes on to drive the better experience, reduce churn, and drive upsell of new services. We're very much at the start of the AI revolution, but it's important that customers test and learn with a fast and agile approach, and that's what we intend to do and invest in heavily going forward. Well, this is a great question around data. It's really important, but it's often skipped over because I know it can be a dry subject. But in the world of AI, which are not always right, the better the data and the training, the faster and the better result with AI and automation. So we would strongly recommend customers think about the data, both how they're combining their unstructured data and structured data that works in a data lake, which will drive the next leap in cost reductions, improving churn, better customer experience, and combining all of that data into their AI. So we would recommend that they invest heavily in the data platform and the technologies to organize and correlate the data at massive scale, and it's very important to get this right. Well, the benefit of getting this right is the ability in real time to drive that better decision making for not just the network operations teams, but the sales teams, the social marketing teams, the operations teams, and those handling those customer experiences. So AI is going to be amazing, but getting the data right is the foundation. Well, our heritage is in scaling mobile networks, but we also have really big deployments in automation on fixed line from ADSL onwards in the last 20 years. And we assure and automate fiber networks today, and we've also just released more specific solutions in this area to make it easier. Now, 5G is clearly important, and we're still in the deployment phase around the world in monetizing this, but fiber is really important. And when I talk to CEOs and CTOs, it really is a lot of what they want to talk about. Now, running a telco many years ago, I was involved in deploying fiber, and I just want to say something about the customer experience here. In older technologies of ADSL and coaxial, I think customers are being conditioned to having probably a low customer expectations around speed and reliability. But in the world of fiber to the home, to the business, to the infrastructure and IoT, the expectations around fiber are much, much higher. And also the price that CSPs are delivering this is much, much higher. So it's really important that we get the assurance and automation of fiber right, and that's what we're investing heavily in MYCOM to deliver on.